Hey everyone, and welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today, we're going to quickly and easily show you how to change the mouse scroll direction on your Mac. Have you ever switched from a Windows PC or maybe just prefer the natural scrolling of a phone or tablet, where dragging your fingers down moves the content up? Well, the default setting on Macs is often the opposite, which can be disorienting. But don't worry, we'll get you sorted in just a few steps. In this video, we'll cover how to access the system preferences, find the mouse settings, and then flip that scroll direction to your liking. It's super simple, even if you're not a tech whiz. So before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more quick and easy tech tips and tricks. Now, let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is go to your Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen. Click on the Apple logo, and then select System Preferences. Now, in System Preferences, look for the mouse icon. It's usually in the third row, but the layout might vary depending on your Mac OS version. Click on that mouse icon. Alright, you should now be in the mouse settings. In the Scroll and Zoom tab, you'll see a checkbox labeled Natural Scrolling. See that checkbox? Right now, it's probably checked. That means you're currently using the default natural scrolling direction. To reverse it, simply uncheck the box. And that's it. You've successfully changed the mouse scroll direction on your Mac. Test it out, scroll down with your mouse, and you should now see the content move down as well. If you ever want to switch back to the default natural scrolling, just recheck that natural scrolling box. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to change the mouse scroll direction on your Mac. Hopefully, this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And again, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to RoamTips.com for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.